Alex Jacinto and Associates has been in business over 40 years, providing general legal services to middle and lower income families. They speak both English and Spanish and will refer their clients when necessary to an appropriate associate who they trust will not charge outrageous prices. Here now is Alex Jacinto. Hello, Alex.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good, good. Thanks for coming in. Please sit down.
For having me.
Now, Alex, tell me, how did you get into the legal profession?
Well, after going to law school, I started practice, basically how everybody does. I went to work for an attorney in PI cases, and then later on I worked with an attorney who represented the Mexican consulate, and later I was in practice renting space from a U.S. Civil Rights Commissioner, Manuel Ruiz. Then later I was asked to go to Sacramento and head up this administrative section for the DMV to try to get traffic tickets out of the courts into an administrative setting. That was a pilot project that Jerry Brown wanted in his first term.
Right.
And that thing didn't go through, but I later came back to Los Angeles area and started practicing again.
Well, I know you've been doing it then for a long time. What kind of cases do you handle?
Oh my God, it's a general practice. We handle personal injury, car accidents, workman's comp, bankruptcy, wills, trusts, immigration, divorces, criminal, traffic, unlawful detainers, contracts. Just a lot of different areas.
Now, I know you do point out that you are glad to handle cases from lower income and middle income clients, that maybe some other attorneys, I don't know, maybe the other attorneys discourage that. Do you handle things, is it any different handling a case of a lower income person than a higher income person?
Well, the big difference is you get paid less.
Yeah, yeah.
Except for instance, in personal injury cases where compensation is on a contingency basis. But the fees are not outrageous like they would be for some guy in the high silk stocking district, you know.
Yeah, yeah. So you're taking care of them. They're getting that great service as if they were in that silk stocking district. But well, do you concentrate geographically on a particular section of LA, or do you take clients from all over?
Actually, I've done immigration cases down in San Diego. I've taken cases up in Ventura, and even flown into San Francisco. You know, not often, but just occasionally. I had a very interesting case in Oxnard one time, but that's a longer story. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now, what about your competition? What are other attorneys doing in your ballpark? Do you do a little different?
I researched that the other day, and I understand there's 250,000 attorneys in California. Of those 250,000, 185 are actively practicing. Of those, it's my understanding that only about 95% never go to court.
Is that right?
So the competition has dwindled down at that point. Plus the fact.
Why don't they go to court?
Well, they don't go to court for various reasons. Number one, they may be doing research. They may be doing a lot of other things.
But you don't shy away from that. You don't shy away from going to court when necessary.
Not at all.
Right.
Not at all. And so the competition is a lot less in that regard. Plus the fact that I'm bilingual.
Yes.
That adds to it. And after 40 years and 46 years of practice, you know, I do all referral, basically.
Is that right?
I don't advertise, you know.
Now, how should viewers contact you? Your contact info is up on the screen, but anything in particular we should know, or are there any specific types of cases that you're really encouraging people to call you about now, or just for the general overall needs?
Look, people that can call me they can call me on my cell phone, 323-722-0147, or my brother's phone, which is on the screen, which is the 626 number, and his secretary will answer there. But where there is a need to refer a person to an attorney, we'll do so, or refer them to an appropriate bar association, et cetera, et cetera.
Well, thank you very much, Alex Jacinto. I know you do great work, and again, you'll take on cases from people that aren't flush with money. So you're doing a good thing, and I sure appreciate it.
Well, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Alex.
My pleasure.
Okay.
Thank you for having me on.
All right, thanks.